What's up, traders? Chosen Trades here with another video for y'all. Today I'll be going over some trade executions I took with EU during the New York session. I had a missed entry early in the session and 2 losing trades that I was taking shorts. Upon sitting in front of the charts, I noticed that price did a market structure shift and followed by displacement. Price then traded into the first, marked a premium at around 7:30 a.m. Eastern. I didn't have my laptop open at the time to see this move. Being patient and understanding that I must not chase the markets, I anticipated price to trade back up into the second, marked a premium imbalance as price also created another market structure shift followed by displacement or an energetic move that was delivering to the downside. I anticipated price to deliver to 1.09174, which is where sell side liquidity was present because of the equal lows. I knew price was bearish because the DXY was bullish if you look at higher time frame, which is where my bias comes from. Since the DXY was bullish and DXY has an inverse relation with EURUSD, I was confident in looking for shorts. Price was relatively close to my entry at 1.09320. However, price just continued to deliver lower with no signal to enter. In my head, I was patient and actively hunting my setup. My mind and eyes were glued to the charts at this point in time. If price didn't give me an entry at my initial level, I was going to hunt for another entry utilizing the fair value gap model ICT teaches in his 2022 internship. Price then continued to move lower. I was aware of the 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time news, which gave me the possibility that price can manipulate taking out retail sellers at the equal highs before delivering to the downside. That was at the back of my mind as I was seeing price action play out before 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time news. Now dropping down to lower time frame, I still did not find a clean or reasonable enough entry for me to enter, so I just sat on my hands. Fast forward to the 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time news. The news was a catalyst to purge through sell-side liquidity. My anticipated TP level was hit and price delivered all the way down to 1.09017, taking out sell-side liquidity there. I still believe that shorts were good for the session and waited for the news driver to be down, moving price lower and finding an imbalance that price can trade into and fall lower. I also typed out a few notes to myself on the charts as to why price action beautifully played out with the 1 to 6 R to R setup. Price created another market structure shift with displacement. What was going through my head at this point was to wait for price to retrace back to a reasonable level. I used the fib tool to find a 50 retracement level as that is where I deem fit to enter on the single candlestick. Price was showing a willingness to go lower, so I did a market execution at 1.09112. Price was moving well until it began to creep higher into my entry and then into my stops. I was still confident to trade and trusted that price may be going up into the fair value gap again just to scare retail traders before heading lower. I then saw that there was a buy-side liquidity above my stops, and that may be the driving factor as to why price keeps going up. Price ended up hitting my stop loss and purging through buy-side liquidity. I saw another imbalance above the buy-side liquidity and re-entered for shorts. Again, I was still confident that EU was bearish. Entered for shorts at 1.09290. Price went into profit immediately. At this point, I adjusted my parameters for the trade and waited for price to go in my favor. As this is going on, I'm observing and letting it be as I see how it currently rests to these levels. Price began to struggle to deliver lower at 1.09169. It then reverted violently to the upside and hit my stop loss. I realized price is not ready to go short. I took my 2 losses and went about my day. Later in the week, around Wednesday or Thursday, price delivered sell side beautifully. I'm sure many traders ate off the move. I did not trade because I took 2 losses for the day. I did not want to revenge trade or FOMO. Practices like these as a trader is important because it keeps the trading psychology in check. As a trader, you must be disciplined. My trading plan tells me 2 losses in a day is enough for the day, let alone the week. This gives me the rest of the week to go back to the drawing board and map out what went well, what didn't go well, how to improve for the next week, etc. With that being said, I hope you guys found this video insightful and were able to learn from the trades I took. Like, comment, and share the video as this helps the channel grow and allows for other traders on the journey to learn more about how to improve the craft. With that being said, signing out, Chosen.